All right, guys, let's do another Leaf autograph full-size helmet. This is a random division break, break number 5 from our website. So each spot in this gives you one random division. So Rick, you've got 3 spots. Scott J with 1. Brent has got 1. Donnie's got 1. Lee with 1. And then John M. closed us out on this one. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the divisions. So let's mix these divisions up 5 times. We pulled a ton of coaches out of here. In fact, we've seen a ton of coaches out of a lot of the breaks recently. Nick Saban, Marv Levy. All right, here we go. So Brent, you've got the NFC South. Donnie with the AFC West. John's got the AFC South. Lee's got the NFC North. Rick, you've got the NFC West, the AFC North, and the NFC East. And then Scott, you've got the AFC East. Nice. Thanks, Aaron. All right, so there are your divisions. Break number 5. All right, so all shrink wrapped here. And the seal right there. All right, guys, good luck. Oh, it's going to be a Carson Wentz. Question's going to be, is it going to be Philly or the Colts? Well, we don't know. Looks green. Looks like it's going to be the Eagles. It is. All right, so that one is going to be NFC East, which will be Rick. So it is Fanatics Authenticated. Looks like the back piece fell off of here, which just happens with some of these. All right, so Rick, congratulations, man. We will get that in the mail to you tomorrow. Appreciate you guys joining us on this one, and I'll grab some more of these, and we'll do more of these divisional helmet breaks coming up in future weeks.